Okay, this is the Epson printer L3210. Uh, it has a flashing red light. Two both with the flashing red light here. Um, we double check it in the computer, and it's not the end of service, the wasting pad. It's not the wasting pad. Actually, it's the here, this part right here. Yeah. So it indicates a lot of stuff when it comes of red light flashing here. Uh, so we opened the machine and we saw the wire. It was split off from the connector. I think I don't know how, but it's some kind of animal or something chewed off the wire. After we put it back together and it was running, it came out like this. So now we have to clean the head, and that's it. Now we're doing the clean head, and it's all fixed.